Hello everyone, I'm Rich Noonan for Best of the Best Television, a program in which we travel all over America in search of our nation's best businesses. And we have found one of them today. Today on Best of the Best, the story of Dents and Dings, saving clients a lot of money on paintless dent repair for a lot of years. And one of the most positively reviewed businesses of its kind in the country. This is really a great American small business success story. David is one of those guys who knew he could do something better back in the day, and he did it. Today, everyone from big car dealerships in this part of Georgia to thousands of past customers have dents and dings on speed dial because they know that David is incredibly skilled at removing a dent. He's a master and can literally save a client, in some cases, thousands of dollars compared to a body shop. Remember, we didn't tell David we were doing this video. We only did so after doing our homework on Dents and Dings. The reviews are fantastic. Customers on multiple credible review sites simply rave about the workmanship, how great David is to deal with. They had hundreds of 5-star reviews online. Simply amazing reviews. You should read them.